ever three-generation WWF superstar. His grandfather, the High Chief, his dad. Oh, wait a minute, look at this. Razor Ramon attacking Rocky Maivia.
Oh, that's just not fair. It was even before the bell.
Off the rope.
All right, there we go, Rocky.
And Rocky, nice drop kick. His dad, Rocky Johnson, taught him how to drop kick just like that.
Oh, yeah. One of the best drop kicks in wrestling.
Rocky Maivia standing side headlock. Of course, Rocky Johnson looking on, ladies and gentlemen, live in Tampa, Florida, catching the elbow. Rocky Johnson, former WWF Tag Team Champion. He is hopeful his son likewise will be a champion. And Razor Ramon now from the other side. Drop the hold, nicely executed. Quickly back to his feet. What a sensational athlete Rocky Maivia is.
I think Rocky's going to wait and reel him in, hook, line, and sinker like I did to all of you with my home sex video.
I must say that that was most unusual.
Oh, unusual. The hottest thing you'll ever see, baby.
And what is Honky Tonk Man doing out here now?
What is he doing
Oh,
here?
my goodness. Whatever it is, he's up to no good. No doubt about that, ladies and gentlemen. Honky Tonk Man's out there to shake, rattle, and roll. Stay with us. Action will continue. We're live, the ultimate sports-themed restaurant, the official All-Star Cafe. And Razor Ramon and Rocky Maivia, oh my goodness, having a go in single competition. And Razor has been battering Rocky Maivia.
Well, you know, Razor's experience in the ring is definitely overpowering the naiveness, I guess you'd say, of Rocky Maivia because he's got the upper hand.
And Rocky has been distracted repeatedly through the break by the Honky Tonk Man, who's been out at ringside, and again, as we stated before, has really no reason to be out there other than to cause trouble. Razor now tries to set up the youngster. He's a rookie. Rocky Maivia from the other side. Pressing gets the big man
he
down.
may be a rookie, but he's
almost
good.
Enough to put him away. Oh, and a clothesline. And Razor now, after that clothesline, trying to capitalize on Rocky Maivia. Maivia to the buckle. Razor all over it. Razor Ramon, we've seen him repeatedly throughout the night. Firstly interfering in Diesel's matchup. And you wonder whether or not Diesel might interfere in this matchup, although the Honky Tonk Man out about ringside as we speak. And a look of concern on Sonny's face.
Rocky,
who obviously
come on, baby.
are somewhat infatuated with Rocky Maivia.
Well, you know, why wouldn't I be? Look at him. If you were a woman, you'd be. Or maybe you are anyway.
No thanks.
Like that. You never know.
Rocky trying to get back to his feet. Right into the midsection and another one.
Oh, come on, Rocky. Get it together, baby.
Honky Tonk Man looking on. And Razor planting that knee right in the back of the neck, right in the back of the head, if you would, and rearing way back on the chin.
Oh, come on, Rocky. Don't give up, baby. Fire up.
And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, we're told that Todd Pettengill is making his way as we speak out to Times Square. But we are live in the All-Star Cafe, Shotgun Saturday night, a most unusual setting as it is each and every week for a most unusual event, Shotgun Saturday night.
That's one word for it.
Next week, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, we will be in San Antonio, Texas, live.
Oh, that's just humiliation there.
For Shotgun Saturday night. And a yank of the hair there by Razor Ramon. And Razor doing everything to keep Rocky down on a canvas. Rocky nonetheless back up on his feet now. Off the rope and a knee squarely into the abdominal area. And Razor now with a clothesline to the back of the head and hurling through this. Oh, come on!
He's got to stick his nose in everybody's business.
And those aren't blue suede shoes Honky Tonk Man has on right now. They're boots. And on the receiving end of those boots, Rocky Maivia. And that Razor must be the man that Rocky's looking for. Here we go. Razor's it. No, back.
There we go.
And a rake in the face, and again, right back in. No, look at this. Here we go. Rocky spinning Razor around. What's he going to do with him? Gets him up. Uh-oh, how about that?
Oh, yeah.
Shoulder breaker.
There we go, Rocky. It's over.
That's it. We got it. Rocky got him.
There we go. There's my boy. Raise his hand right there.
Honky Tonk Man was looking at Razor Ramon. I don't think he's going to be looking at him after this matchup.
Oh, look at the people that love him chanting his name and everything.
Yes, the official All-Star Cafe, the setting for Shotgun Saturday night. We're having a blast inside, outside, out in Times Square, ladies and gentlemen. We've got Todd Pettengill somewhere out there doing something.
What's up, Todd?
Todd, can you hear us? Todd Pettengill.